Hello again. Today I have an American 5200 steel body padlock. I got the core from a friend on the Facebook lockpicking group. Ben. It came in this lock. It's a restricted and R2 keyway. Do not duplicate. The keyway bends a little more right there. It's a little more restricted than a normal. Like this is my A keyway. You can kind of see the difference. But the key, I really like the way it feels. The core in this lock, this is my new favorite lock. To pick it, I'm gonna try a 50 thousandths pry bar from Peterson and a standard hook from Sparrows in 18 thousandths. Nothing on 1. A little click on 2. A little click on 3. 4 couple clicks. Nothing on 5. 1. Click. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5. 1. One feels like it. There it is. Another click. There it is. I felt like I almost overset it. Oh, default set now. Something back there is a spool. 5. I think 5 is where my counter rotation is. Yep, there it is. Alright. Let's see what we need to gut this thing. Kind of excited to see what's inside. Like I said, I haven't gutted this lock before. Alright. Oh. Don't want it to go flying. There we go. Alright. Get a follower. Guess I should probably key. Alright. So 5 pins. They all look to be serrated. I'll do that in just a sec. I kind of want to see what these drivers are. Tweezers. One. Ooh. Serrated. Two. Serrated. Serrated in three. Go back the other way. 5. There was my spool. Serrated spool. And 3. Oh, 3 was a serrated spool. Or 4, sorry. 4 was a serrated spool also. And the key pins. Sorry about that. 2. 1. 3. 4. Wants to come out. There it is. Alright. So, only 2 of the key pins were serrated in 2 and 3. The rest were standard key pins. 3 serrated drivers in 1, 2, and 3, and 2 serrated spools in 4 and 5. So that's it. The R2 American Lock keyway in a 5200. Hope you liked it, and happy picking.